In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up QuickBooks Direct Deposit for contractors. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fill everything out so your contractor gets paid correctly and on time. Start by signing in to QuickBooks and heading to your main dashboard. Make sure you're using a company file with the right permissions and that your contractor is already set up in your books. It's also a good idea to have their W-9 on file and their bank details verified before you proceed, since accurate info is essential for successful direct deposit. From the dashboard, open the Customers area. In this workflow, the contractors view lives here, giving you a focused list of the people you pay for services. If you manage a lot of profiles, use search and filters to quickly find who you need, and confirm that the contractor's profile shows their correct legal name and payment details. Open the contractor's view to see all your active contractors. Take a moment to confirm which contractor you're paying and that the amount and payment date you have in mind are ready to go. If you manage multiple entities or projects, double-check that you're in the correct company and class to keep your reporting clean. Select the contractor you want to pay, then choose Write Check. In QuickBooks, the check form is a versatile payment screen. Whether you're recording a payment or sending funds electronically if direct deposit is enabled on your account. Think of it as the place where you enter the what, when, and why of the payment. Before moving on, glance at the contractor's payment method on the screen. If direct deposit is available on your plan and turned on for contractors, you'll see options tied to electronic payment. Choose the bank account you want to pay from, then fill in the payment details carefully. Enter the payment date, the amount, and the expense category or account that this cost should hit, such as subcontractors or cost of goods sold. Use the description or memo field to note the project, invoice reference, or period of work. If you have supporting documents, like an approved invoice, attach them to keep your records complete. Review the contractor's bank information and the funding timeline. Direct deposits often have cutoff times, so setting the date a day or two ahead can help ensure on-time delivery. Finally, review everything for accuracy and save. That's all it takes to set up and record your contractor direct deposit in QuickBooks, keeping your books accurate and your contractors paid reliably.